Bismillah wa salatu salam ala Rasulullah. We are here at Darussalam International Islamic Bookshop booth. This is here at 2018 Muscat Book Fair, which is one of the biggest book fairs in the region and definitely the biggest one here in Oman. So starting off, this is a golden opportunity to pick up Dawa booklets in different languages and in different topics. And these not only include the languages spoken here in the subcontinent, but also the Far East like Japanese and Filipinos. The other amazing thing is the different translations of the well-known and most popular books, and you can find them in French language, in Spanish, and other subcontinent languages. The copies of the translations of Quran are a lot, as you can see. All sorts of different languages are available, and this is a golden opportunity to pick them up now, because later on you'll not be able to find them. In addition to it, there are a lot of titles on different topics, which are not only an excellent gift to give to people who would be interested in Islam, but they are also an excellent source of knowledge for Muslims who want to catch up on their reading and get to know more about Islam. One of the most popular books and my favorite is this one here. It's Dawa according to the Quran and Sunnah, and I would highly recommend this book to anyone who's interested in doing Dawa. And being Muslims, we should all be seriously interested in doing Dawa. Over the years, we've seen a lot of wonderful titles produced by Darussalam, and they are at par with books available from other publishers. There's History of Islam, books which are of interest to women, and these are a must for anyone who's interested in gaining authentic knowledge of Quran and Sunnah. Yet another thing is the extensive list of books available in the Urdu language, and like I said, this is a golden opportunity that all these titles are actually here available at this fair, at this book exhibition here in Muscat for the next, I think, about week, or I should say 2 weeks. And they are always adding new titles to their collection. Their work is simply amazing. The books make an excellent gift. So if you're going next time to a dinner with your friends, instead of taking a cake or some other thing, it would be wonderful if you take one of these books and gift it to them. And obviously, if you buy quantity, these guys are open to discounts. The idea is not to just go for the highest price, but the idea is to spread the knowledge. And mashallah, these guys are doing an amazing job over here, just like they have done in different outlets. And for those of you who have been to Umrah and Hajj, you must have visited their outlets in Mecca, Medina, and they have outlets in lots of other places in the world as well. They have established themselves as authority in this space, where they have not only different titles available, but they cover a lot of different topics. It's very extensive, and they are growing into a lot of different languages. And what you see now is they even have books for learning the Arabic language, which is definitely very handy. And this is amazing. This seems like a picture of our beloved Sultan Qaboos Grand Masjid, the main prayer men's hall. And also you can catch up with them online with Google Play, Nook, Apple Store, Amazon.com, and bookstore. So to wrap it up, I don't want to make this video a very long one. Apparently I'm gonna spend a lot of time here going through the titles, selecting different things for myself, for my family, and also for my friends, and I recommend the same to you all. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.